As in our previous video, we have seen how to use L298N motor driver module to drive the 5V DC motor using Arduino. So in this video, we will see how to control the speed of that DC motor. So without wasting time, let's get started. So with the help of this 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, we will control the speed of the DC motor. As we have already seen how to use IN pins, now we will use these ENA and ENB pins by removing the jumpers on it, which allows us to connect the jumper wires. This custom made jumper connector in which black and brown wires are for EN pins and the rest are for IN pins. Now let's see how to connect these jumpers with Arduino. Now I am connecting these jumpers to the Arduino as mentioned in our code. The code is in the description below. Now I am connecting 5V DC motor to out 1 and out 2 pins as we have done in our previous video. So now connect the potentiometer as we have connected in the LED dimmer project. If you have not seen that video, the link is in the description below and as well as in the I button. Now hook up the 5V power supply with the motor driver. Let's have a look to our code. These all are IN pins and these are ENA and ENB pins, which must be PWM pins. Now after this, verify the code, and after verification is done, upload the code. We are able to control the speed of the DC motor with the help of this potentiometer. Motor was working in the clockwise direction, but if you want to change the direction of the motor, you just need to uncomment the lines below the anti-clockwise direction line. The link to this code is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to get such more interesting videos.